Classroom situation. Another important factor which is overlooked in the running of the educational institutions in Pakistan is the lack of understanding of the actual classroom situation with regards to the cultural aspects of the teachers and the students in these classrooms. So there is a lot of factors which are affecting the learning in the classroom because the classroom situation has so many different variables. The culture of the teacher herself, the classroom culture, and the culture of the students. So there are at the one time there are different cultures working in the class. And if there are 30 students, there is possibility that there are 30 cultures going on at the same time. Or maybe 15 cultures, or maybe 10 cultures. So the classroom situation is facing different types of cultures with different people in the classroom. The actual classroom situation is actually handled and faced by the teacher and the students. It will be a collaborative effort of the students and the teacher to select the common things and common features of the cultures in the classroom and then adapt things in order to have a smooth running in the classroom. However, this information is totally ignored by the school administrators, the parents, the community, and the society as a whole. The actual classroom situation is not clear to the parents at all. They just think about the culture that they have at home, and then they want the things to be in the classroom implemented and applied as they are applying those at home. It is very compulsory for the parents to attend the school functions, and it is also very important for the school to let the parents know about the cultures which are prevailing in the classroom. The parents need all this information to build up an understanding that their child is going to face different cultures every day in the school. And the teacher is the one who is going to be the intervening section of the group in order to make it possible for the teaching to go on smoothly. The intervening factor, who is the teacher, has to face all these cultures. Therefore, she needs to find out common things amongst the culture and then talk to her students about it, that these are the things which we find common in our cultures. And we are going to adopt some which might be difficult for some of the students. The teacher needs to inform the heads during the meetings also that what cultures are prevailing in the classroom. Because by sharing that, not only is the teacher informing the school authorities, but is also helping the others to find out what the cultures are in the school, and by sharing, maybe she will be able to give an advice to someone, or someone will be able to give a suggestion to her because maybe somebody is closer to that culture. In the Pakistani context, these things are not discussed. Somehow, these factors are either ignored or there is a tendency to cover up all these things. It is considered to be unnecessary to discuss about these issues or discover them or disclose them to other people. For some reason, it is considered to be for the best interest of everybody that everything should be hidden. It should be covered up. It is like, thinking of something which is not there because one is just closing one eyes, one is not uncovering something just in the fear that if we uncover it, there will be more work to do. There will be more discussion to do on it. It will need some homework. It will need some groundwork. So for that purpose, or maybe for some other reason, it is considered not to disclose things which in the Pakistani context are considered to be unnecessary. Understanding these cultures and applying those cultures in the classroom situation is very important for the teacher, who is the person who is going to intervene all the time in any issues that take place in the classroom.